Welcome to Boil 'em Cabbage Down, Speed 3. This is going to be our fast tempo. Let's make sure we're in tune. D. And then let's make sure our fingers are right. So I'm going to play 0, you play 0, I'll play 1, you play 1, I'll play 3, you play 3. Wait, was that one wrong? No, it was still good. And then I'll play 4, and you play 4. Got it? Okay, we start on 3. For this one, I think we'll go something like, which is pretty fast, but this is the fast one, not the super fast one. It can go faster, but let's start with that. Okay, so to count this off, we might say something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, something like that. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 3, 3, 3, 1, 1, 1. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, ready, go. And if you like that, then maybe we could go to the mega fast speed. If that works, then try this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, ready, go. Again. And if you like that, then you could play it with 2 strings at the same time. You have to make sure that your third finger is not touching the A string. We have to roll it up a little bit. You might have to swing your elbow around. And it's a little bit out of tune. Here we go. For this, you'll need your A string. There we go. 1, 2, a 1, 2, ready, go. If that's good, you could try super mega fast, and that would be something like this. Alright, that's Boil 'em Cabbage Down. Something to aim for. Good job. And good.